Cannibals are in a dangerous. Cannibals are in a, cannibals are in a, cannibals are in a dangerous. And you don't want to get bit by them, cause you will see blood all over your body. And you would wish you were able to work out with your friend Steven and Jay and Victor, kicking it backwards and then recording songs and having a good time to keep you safe. One day I was in the forest, I saw an animal, but it was a cannibal, and I had to run home, You never want to go back to trust me. And you should get bit by them. And you will have to call the road truck to come and take you from out there. And you will be glad you did. Cause it will be the worst day of your life. And that would be the worst decision if you did go back there. Cause you have to sleep in muddy water and drink animal water and eat animal food for the rest of your life, and that will not be a good moment for you. Then trust me, you don't want that. Believe that. And never bite you to death. And you should never go home to your real family again for the rest of your life.